Almighty and eternal God, I, Inigo Manuel Yohanes Amado, understand how unworthy I am in your divine sight. Yet, strengthened by your infinite compassion and mercy, I am moved by the desire to love and serve you. I vow to your divine majesty, perpetual chastity, poverty, and obedience in the society of Jesus.
Hoy! Hoy! Nasaan ka ba? Mag-e-empake ka pa. Inuna mo pa ata yung booking mo, no?
In the early church, they believed that the bread and the wine consumed during the Eucharist becomes the actual body and blood of Jesus Christ. In the Gospels, Christ himself said, I am the bread of life, and the bread I will give is my flesh. Unless you eat my flesh and drink my blood, you do not have life in you. The Christian must strive not to defile himself as to be worthy to receive this most holy sacrament, for it is in this bread that God himself meets man, and man himself meets life eternal.
Puking ino.
Gulat na gulat, eh.
Saan ako? Paano ka napunta di...
Ay, ang daming tanong. Learn to just be muna. Naganda pa nga ako, oh. Tiyanan! Your last supper bago ka magkakipay.
Alam mo?
Oh, sister, I know you. Magkadikit-kifi nga tayo, diba? Like I was knitting yung tita's womb. Go, kainin mo na ako.
Teka, parang may mali.
Ano?
Ito, lahat to, may iba sa'yo.
Well, hiniram ko lang naman tong top ko kay Pedro. Bagay kasi sa blue ni Mama, oh.
Hindi yun. Ba't ngayon ka lang nagparamdam?
Oni, what do you mean? I'm always here.
Talaga lang, oh.
Ang sabi mo?
Wala. Baka nawalan lang ako ng gana.
I see those eyes. I know you want me.
Wow! Ang taas ng tingin sa sarili. Baka nakakalimutan mo, ah. Hindi na kita pwedeng tikman. Mas lalo na pag nagpalagay na ako.
I never said anything like that. Aanin ko ba kung Etit Sukifiru yan? Pero kung yan ang inisip mo, kwento mo yan eh.
Iniisip ko? Ako ba talaga yung nag-isip? Wow, ate. Shut the fuck up.
Maybe you're just gay. Okay pa yun eh. Pero this is a scandal. Kailan pa to?
Father, I realized it ever since my long retreat.
Your long retreat? Bakit ngayon mo lang sinabi?
I was afraid. But I never lied in my vows. My vocation is real.
Inigo, walang pake ang Roma dyan. Our order is already rocky with them. How do you think they'll react to this? Look, I know it's hard for you, but the church is just not ready, Inigo. It thinks in centuries. Imagine, just by using a condom, you can't receive communion. We can't even have women priests. What more the likes of you?
Father, if Christ can assume bread as his body, why can't I assume mine?
There's been a case like this in the US. We can no longer allow you here. It's too dangerous. But I can contact the monjas in Rizal. You'll live temporarily in their enclosure. You'll live your vows there and your identity hidden. No one can know about this, Inigo. No one can know.
Alam mo yung masaklap? Yung minahal kita sobra pa sa sobra. Pero bakit ganun? Bakit parang ako pa yung nasa mali?
Akala mo ba gusto kong nakikita kang naiipit? Pero, Oni, we both know my church isn't perfect. It's still learning.
Ate ko, time check. 2,000 years na. Ang dami ng damay sibilyan. Baka mas okay pa nga yatang pasabugin na lang natin yung simbahan mo para wala nang magdusa. Nagkatawang tao ka lang ba para matratong hayop ako?
Nasabi ng iyong probinsyalang sitwasyon mo. Hindi ko maisip kung gaano kagulo ang loob mo ngayon, Iho. Pero pasensya, hindi ka namin mapapatuloy.
Mother, there's already been a precedent in other countries. Why can't we...
Nasaan ka ba? Iba ang sitwasyon ng simbahan sa bansa natin. Mas matalas ang tinga ng room dito.
Mother, I can be discreet. I won't even entertain visitors. I would live solely for God. I just want to continue my vocation. Or is that something I'm no longer allowed to have?
Hindi yan ang usapan. Hindi mo ba naiisip na kapag lumabas to madadamay kami, Iho?
Hindi na ako iho!
Kung gusto mo talagang maging babae sa poder ng ating simbahan, matuto ka ng mawala ng boses.
Ama namin, sumasalangit ka, sambahin ang ngalan mo. Mapasa amin ang kaharian mo, sundin ang loob mo. Dito sa lupa para nang sa langit, bigyan mo kami ngayon ng aming kakanin sa araw-araw at panawain mo kami sa aming mga sala para na ang pagpapatawad namin sa nagkakasala sa amin. At wag mo kami ipahintulot sa tukso, at iadya mo kami sa lahat ng masama.